Hey there. So if your teacher gives you a form and tells you you can use your notes, like either on Google Docs or on your slides, you would have to be going back and forth like this. And it's kind of annoying because you would have to read, come over here, look for it, then read again, come back over here and look for it. So here's a simpler thing you can do. And let me show you. This app is called Dualless, and it splits your screen equally in between. So now I can read and find my answers, or like look at my strategies or whatever my teacher's allowing me to use for my forms or tests. That way it's split equally, and that way I can that way I don't have to be going back and forth, flipping between tabs. Now I could just stay on one tab and have another tab open over here. So like I said, this app is called Dualless. So how do you get Dualless? It's very simple. Let me put this back. So once you're done, you can do this. Click here, click on the number 1, and it brings it back to the whole screen. And let me show you how you can download this app. What you're going to do is you're going to go to the App Store. Your App Store would be right here, or you could just put Chrome App Store. When you look it up on the internet, you go to Web Store, and then you're going to put Dualless right here. Alright, so Dualless, and this is the app right here, or extension. I already have it added. All you have to do is just put add and it will come out here, or if you have a lot of extensions like I do, it's going to come out over here on this puzzle piece. Okay, and you're just going to look for it here. Like mine's right here. It's blue, but it might come out gray like this one. You just pin it. That way it comes out here. And whenever you need a split screen, you click here. And it gives you several different split screens. Like if you put this one, 3.7, it just splits it like that. If you don't like it, you can come back. And then you can put it as one screen. The number 1 puts it back to the regular screen. You could put it at 4.6, makes it a little bit smaller. The one I would use would be the 5.5. It splits it like 50-50. Okay, that way you have your notes on one side and your test on the other side. The way that you would do it is what I would do. That way I keep everything organized. I would click on my test first, or on my form. I click on Dualless, and then I go 50-50. It splits the test separate from my notes. That way I have my test on one side and my notes on the other side. Now I can look at my notes, and I can find my answers or my strategies or whatever that I need to help me do the test that I'm doing. Okay, and this works on only the internet. Okay, I'm not sure it'll work on Microsoft Edge. You can try it, but if it doesn't, then you're gonna have to download Google Chrome. All right, and if you haven't downloaded Google Chrome already, this is what you do. Hang on, let me put this back. All right, so you go to Google Chrome. And then you put download. Okay, you just have to click this one right here, the first one that pops up, and it will give you this option to download. You click on download, it'll download the file, you open it up and you set it up. Of course, mine's already downloaded, so it's not going to give me a lot to do. Okay. If it gives you that, then you're going to have to take it to the school and they'll download it for you. But other than that, it should work. The Dualless app should work on the other platforms, hopefully, because it's not a Google extension. It's a Windows, so it should work on everything. So you shouldn't have any trouble. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll help you out as much as I can. But we need everybody to try to use Dualless, okay? Teachers, if you're watching, you need to encourage your students to use Dualless. It's coming from the district. That way they have an easier time taking their tests or doing their classwork, because I know sometimes we assign a lot of work that requires them maneuvering different sites to find their answers. That way they can have their screen split a little bit easier. All right. Thank you, guys.